Hey folks, Adria here. I thought I'd share how I carve my Treehouse library in Cottonwood bark with you. It's a fun project that's always a crowd pleaser. Lay in your structure, your leaves, your shelves, where you're going to have the tree trunk. For this carving, I use a straight knife, gouges, and a couple of different kinds of V-tools, as well as some other tools that we'll get into in a moment. Once the shelves are in place, then I can mark in the books, removing the background wood as cleanly as possible. Stop cuts, push cuts. It's a bit nitpicky, but the look is totally worth it. Here I'm using a regular V-tool instead of the scorp or the draw knife V-tool, because the scorp didn't fit into the available space. The idea is to cut out each book using stop cuts and removing the background. Always remember that you can flip the piece around to get the best angle for your knife. There's actually a third secret. Sometimes the right tool is the only tool to have for the job. Maybe that's why wood carvers tend to collect tools, and it appears like a irresistible bad habit. But trying to do what I'm doing right now and creating this space above the books and below the shelf, it'd be a lot harder with just a straight knife. So having a small chisel is extremely helpful. Oh, how am I going to get that all cleaned up? Wait a minute. What was I just saying about having the right tool for the right job? That's how I'll clean it up in there. Painting with fire, in this case using the wood burning tool, adds shadow and makes your details pop. I use it here to accent the leaf veins, the book spines, and the bark of the tree trunk. It's tedious, but again, totally worth it. Time for paint and then spray sealer. Check the channel for painting videos. Thanks for watching.